Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will explain about adjective phrase complement. Introduction. An adjective phrase is a phrase which has an adjective as its head, and it may consist of a single adjective or complete element. Complement. A complement is an element which had as select or semantical select compared with C selection or category selection, which is synthetic to complete its meaning. An adjective may as select a complement or does not as select a complement. The adjective angry, ambitious, and different as select a complement. The complements are semantically knit by the heads. Like this sentence, Mr. Smith is angry with some student. Mr. Smith is the complement. Second sentence is Mary is very different from her sister. Mary is the complement, and Peter is ambitious to get the position. Peter is the complement of this sentence. The complement which an adjective as select is probably not present explicitly in a sentence. When a complement is not present, it may be understood from the context, or is probably not important for the message exchange, but is also present in the speaker's mind. Like in this sentence, Mr. Robbins was very angry in the meeting. The complement is Mr. Robbins was, and the second sentence is the new manager is very ambitious. The complement is the new manager is, and the complements of angry in first sentence and ambitious in second sentence are not expressed. The speakers of the sentence are only interested to give the fact that Mr. Robbins was very angry and the new manager is very ambitious. A complement has a close relationship with its head. It cannot be spared from the head. Like this sentence, with some student, Mr. Robbins is angry. Second sentence is to get the position, Ruth is ambitious. Third sentence is from her sister, Linda is very different. Sentence 1 until 3 are not acceptable because the complements of the adjective are spared from the heads. The purposing of the complements results in the ungrammatically of the sentence. Phrase categories of AP complements is prepositional phrase to infinitive verb phrase, clause, and noun phrase. Prepositional phrase, like this example sentence: 9. Good in mathematics. 10 is responsible for the refreshment. PP as the complement of an adjective can be identified with several tests. First, the noun phrase which become the complement of the preposition can be substituted with what or who to form a question. Like this sentence, Mary is responsible for the refreshment. To what is Mary responsible for? Second is Tina is angry with Mark. And next, who is Tina angry with? Secondly, the NP which the complement of the preposition can occur as the focus in cleft sentence. Like in this example. Finally, the noun phrase which become the complement of the preposition can occur the pseudo cleft sentence. Like this example sentence, Mary is responsible for the refreshment. What Mary is responsible for is the refreshment. Tina is angry with Mark. Who Tina is angry with is Mark. To infinitive verb phrase to infinitive verb phrase as an adjective complement can be identified using several tests. Firstly, infinitive adjective Complement can be identified using what question? A to infinitive adjective complement is an answer to what question? Clause. Besides that clause, an adjective may take a wither clause as it complements the adjective, which can take a wither clause as their complement, however, only sure, certain, and doubtful, like this whole example sentence. Noun phrase and this example sentence is context-free, free from context, gender sensitive, sensitive to the gender, and noun phrase which function as a complement of adjective can only be identified using pair phrase, as can be seen in 27b and 28b. The noun phrase can be changed into PPS. With the use of the test for a PP, the complements can be identified.